Hello everyone, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England here in the UK, and welcome to my channel. Now this very short video isn't a recipe at all, it's more of an appeal. As the channel has become very popular over the last year or so, I'm finding that I need to make and post even more videos each week. And the cost of making these are increasing more and more. For example, there are ingredients, video equipment, editing software, and a new website to maintain and pay for, and of course a lot of my time. I do receive a little YouTube ad revenue, but unfortunately it's not enough for what I need. So what I've done is open a Patreon account where my viewers can donate a very small amount, as little as $2 per month, to help keep the channel going. The rewards for becoming one of my Patreon sponsors are all explained in the Patreon video over on my Patreon page. And so you can nip across and see what it's all about. I'll leave a link in the description box below, or you can simply click on the information icon top right of the screen. Well, thanks very much for listening, and I really hope you can help keep the channel going. Bye for now.